In front of me is TCL Plex, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Accounts. Then select Emergency Information. Hit Add Contact over here and select one of your contacts. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. When you finished, you can go back, or in case you wish to delete one of your contacts, click on this X next to the chosen one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!